What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm just gonna be doing. I am watching WWE right now, but we're going to. Okay, this is on 50. So we're gonna be we're gonna be just playing Subway Surfing, and then that's it. I was just watching some YouTube of highlights that happened yesterday. What? Let's see if I can hold on.
Simple, easy, awesome.
Oh. I don't care. Move. Burberry. I hate this. Getting on this stupid thing.
Don't worry, I've earned what I have. I will fight to what is mine.
Repetition. If you guys have not went ahead and gone ahead and seen the if some of you don't watch wrestling, I'm pretty sure you should go ahead and go so you can see Women's Division. WWE. Bro, move, just maybe hit my head on the glass, bro. Move, bro. If you haven't, you can go and see the Women's WWE Division. And you can see the match that they did and stuff. You can see all that. Like, there's nothing you can't see on there. You can see boys matches for all the boys out there who want to participate.
What's in the colors?
It's a purple.
No, I had to butt check it first.
I need it. Hold up, you guys.
Why you put the book
Alexa Bliss.
What's your sippy cup?
By the champion. This was supposed to be Alexa Bliss's designated moment of celebration. And this hot-headed Ronda Rousey showed up and ruined everything. Before you can understand the frustration, but there is a line.
Go get it.
Do not cross it. Clearly, Ronda Rousey not only crossed it, she blew past it. Yes, she assaulted Raw General Manager Kurt Angle, as you can see here, after some harsh words from Alexa Bliss. And Ronda Rousey would then assault multiple officials.
Come on. If you don't move.
Reaction to suspension. Ronda. Good luck, Ronda. Suspend you for 3 days. That's fine. But save your good luck wishes for Alexa Bliss. Okay? Back in 30 days. I don't care if she's champion or not. I'm gonna be back here kicking her pink hair ass.
So a 30-day suspension of Ronda Rousey isn't warranted in a situation.
Okay, and you guys. That's not subscribing, you guys.
30 days, that's not nearly enough. It should be 60, 120. I hope Ronda Rousey is fined heavily. I wouldn't be against Ronda Rousey being fired. That was completely unacceptable.
Damn!
The King Slayer. Alexa Bliss has already burned it down tonight. Burned her contract. You mean Rousey burned it down? Yeah, what was that?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Intercontinental Champion, Seth Rollins.
A hashtag fighting champion, and Seth Rollins is indeed that.
Oh,
Versus
man.
Elias. Defending the Intercontinental Championship, Seth said it was a tremendous fight. Admitted Elias took him to the limit, but that's what drives Seth as a competitor. Is it just me, or does Seth Rollins have a little bit of an extra pep in his step? push the swag here tonight. And WWE Extreme Rules is presented
Move,
by
you make me mess
Tap Out,
up in this
Aaron
corner.
Costell and TapOut.com. And speaking of Extreme Rules, remember General Manager Kurt Angle telling us that Nia Jax and Alexa Bliss will have a championship match
I know.
at Extreme Rules.
Stop. Am I dying?
Man, it's heating up out here tonight. There's a nice energy out here. There's a buzz in the locker room, and I gotta say, I think we should keep it going. Now, last night at Money in the Bank, Elias took me to my limit, and I loved every second of it. But
Come on, Leah.
I'm still standing, and I'm still the
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Leah did my hair.
champion, baby.
God, this got school.
I'm a fighting champion. I'm here every Monday night and I'm all heart. So what do you say, Grand Rapids? We have ourselves an Intercontinental Championship Open Challenge. And there's no better place than here. And there's no better time than right now. So who back there has got the guts to come out here and take on the man? Let's go, baby.
Well, big fan of Seth Rollins and his willingness to become a fighting champion, but after the match that Elias pulled out of Rollins last night, the hell that Rollins had to endure, this is not a smart move. But this is interesting.
I love you guys.
Dolph Ziggler, this is awesome. I did not expect this at all, nor did Seth Rollins. Corey, I agree with you. When you put out an open wait a minute, is it Ziggler or is it McIntyre? That is an interesting point. Rollins has got to be worried right now. Either way, these two men have been...
I'm not gonna do this I'm gonna do the Subway Surf thing, but I ain't doing nothing this after. So I wanna watch wrestling, WWE.
Either one would be a formidable opponent tonight for Seth Rollins. More than formidable, Cole. I mean, neither Dolph Ziggler nor Drew McIntyre competed in a match last night like Seth Rollins did. You're looking at two fresh, dangerous superstars. Corey, you bring up a good point. I think Seth Rollins is feeling a little bit too much of himself here tonight. An open challenge, a night after Money in the Bank, might be a little bit...